Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this tips and tricks session with your host Sean Mulherin, and looking forward to giving you some insights into the EPLAN application. One of the challenges I always have is trying to navigate to the documents or the images folder located in the projects folder. So from the software, there's not really an easy way to get there. You just simply open up your File Explorer, and in the File Explorer you navigate to your projects folder, and depending on your structure it could be pretty deep, and you access your EDB folder. In that EDB folder you will find all of your project related tables and database and information, and you will find the documents folder, which contains your external documents to the project that are stored within the project. Additionally, you'll also find your images folder that contains all of the images that you are using in the current project. So accessing those two folders is always a challenge because you have to navigate through all of the structures to access this project.edb. Well, if you install EPLAN out of the box, there is a much easier way to do that. And this time we're simply going to load a script that comes delivered with the EPLAN installation. So if we look at the scripts folder, under our data, under scripts, under company name, you will find this script that is located and ready to use. It's PageNavi context menu open folder.cs. So to load this script, we simply go to the menu File in your Backstage environment. Then we go to Extras, Interface, and in there you have your script environment. And your script environment gives you the option to run, load, or unload a script. In this case, we want to load a script. Click on Load the Script, navigate again to Data, Scripts, Company Name, and select that script provided to you by EPLAN. Once you've opened that script, nothing really happened except that it loaded additional data. And you'll find this in the Page Navigator. If you right-click now in the Page Navigator, you have the ability to open up the doc folder directly of that particular project. You can also right-click, open up the image folder of that project, or right-click and open up the project folder of that particular project. So again, I think a really useful script for users to quickly access external documents and images associated to the project simply using the context menu. So I hope you find this tip and tricks enjoyable and useful. Let me know in your comments, and hope to see you guys soon. Thank you very much. Bye.